Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. We are going to learn the advanced Excel built-in functions. So in this video, we are going to first of all start with the if function. So the advanced Excel is here in order to give us a knowledge how to work with the Excel functions. So we start with the if function. So I click on the if function so far. So this is going to display like this for us. First of all, what are we going to see on the if function? What to know about the if function? We have to know that. So I click on it. It's going to display something like this for us. So working with if function in functions, the built-in function in the Microsoft Excel. A function is one of the logical functions. Of course, those we have many logical functions, like we are having the or, the and, the if. Those are logical functions to return one value if the condition is true and the other value if the condition is false. So if that condition is true, we are going to see the logical test that we are going to describe, and also how the test is going to be described. So in that case, we are going to start now by seeing the first example in the first table. So I close this link and I come down here to the question number 1 in the first table. What are they telling us here? If a student mark is greater than, here is the question, be with me. If the student mark is greater than or equal to 70, that person should take pass, otherwise false. So here we go in the first table by answering this question. So this is like someone has spoken to you, so you are going to put that in real life. So how can we do it? So in that case, this is the answer, but how the answer has come. So I'm going to remove the answer here and start typing the code here. So if I click, for instance, here, I'm going to, so in this case, if I click on the equal sign, I'm going to type automatically the if. So I click on the if functions. What are they telling us here? The mark is what we are working with. So I click on the mark, and the mark should be what? Greater than or equal to 70, comma, that person should take pass, otherwise what? Otherwise person should take false. Now fail, the person should take fail, and I close my bracket. So here we are explaining the question here as translate into a code. So the 70 is the test that we are testing, is what they are giving to test, and the discussion is here to give you what? The false and the pass. So the pass is the true value and the fail is the false value. So once we click on enter, it's going to give us this answer. So this is the first question, and in the first table, how to use the if function. So let's get down to business, how also to use the if function once you are working into your business area. We come down to the second table by taking the second question. So how are we going to answer this question? So first of all, we have to read the question and see if the table cell is greater than or equal to 3,500, that total sales should be what? Good cell, otherwise bad cell. So how are we going to do that? So we have to go back to the second table and see where is the total cell. This is the total cell. This is the test that we are going to test. This is the value we want to test. If we are testing this value, the condition should be what? True or false. So in this case, I'm going to come down here and remove all those values here. sorry, I delete those values. So I'm going to start based on the exercise they have given us. I'm going to take what the if functions. So the if is the built-in function has a display. So I should come in the formula bar and start typing the codes by doing what? The test I want to test. This is the value I want to test is the total cell. So I click on the total cell. Is display here is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to what? Greater than or equal to 3,500. Comma. That should be what? Good cell. So if the total cell is greater than or equal to 3,500, it should be good cell. Good cells. Otherwise, if that is not going to with that particular test that we are testing, it should be what? Bad cells. So if the condition is false, going to take what? Bad cell. If it's true, it should take what? Good cell. So I enter. This is our answer. So this is how to use the if functions in Microsoft Excel. So without going so far, we are going to take the next function that is going to be the sum, the average, how to use those functions in the Microsoft Excel. So thank you so much. Be with me in my next video. You will see great things. Bye. Subscribe please to my YouTube account. More come. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube account. George Dramou. AdvancedExcelLearning.com. Thank you.